káàbọ̀ sí Anike Versatile TV, ilé ìròyìn àti ìtàn tó dájú, ibi tí a tún ti máa ń gbádùn àwòrán àti eré, ilé ìròyìn ìdárayá tí kò ní tàn yín jẹ. Lẹ́yìn gbogbo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Regina pẹ̀lú ọwọ́ ọkọ rẹ̀ yẹn Ned Nwoko pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹbí rẹ̀, ó ti ṣetán láti padà sí ilé ọkọ rẹ̀ o, torí pé òun ò mọ ohun tí òun tún fẹ́ ṣe ju kóun padà sílé ọkọ rẹ̀ torí ohun tí ọkọ rẹ̀ ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ fún àwọn ẹbí rẹ̀. Kí lẹ lérò, ṣé kó padà bí kó má padà? Ohun tí ẹ bá rò, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa kọ sí orí comment section kí àwọn tó kù wá lè fi kọ́gbọ́n. Tí ó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tí ẹ̀ ń ṣalábàápàdé fídíò yìí àbí channel yìí, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ bá mi like fídíò yìí kẹ́sì bá mi share rẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá mi tẹ subscribe button láti túbọ̀ máa mú ìròyìn ní ráńpẹ́ wá sí etí ìgbọ́ yín. Inú mi dùn bí ẹ ṣe ń tẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni mo mọ̀ ní oore o. Ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ Regina Daniel níbi tó ti ń ṣàlàyé ohun tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan.
Guys, it's okay to laugh. It's okay. It's really okay to laugh. As per, when she was flaunting the wealth. Oh, when she was flaunting the wealth, were we enjoying it with her? It's okay. But nobody ever flaunts their sadness. No one ever does that. You know why? Because of this very reason. Mockery. As long as you're not in my shoes, you will never understand. What were you guys expecting me to show off? That I was being beaten? That I was sad? No. And yes, actually, I think I'll break this phone. Because guys, I tried. I tried. I feel like I'm going crazy. I'm losing my mind and it's not making any sense. I'm finally crying in front of everybody. But please, what am I even begging for? I don't know. Do you guys think it's easy? Every time I'm waking up, I'm seeing one thing. Oh, my brother online. Today I hear good news. Oh, it's about to be free. Tomorrow I hear another thing. Like, what's the problem? But I've tried. I'll go back. I'll go back.